In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a report, a presentation, or just tinkering with a creative project, being able to align images neatly next to each other can make your document clean and visually appealing. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you get it just right. To begin, we'll need to insert a table. This might not be the most intuitive method if you're new to Google Docs, but it guarantees that your images will stay side by side without any unnecessary movement. Start by going to the top menu of your Google Doc and clicking on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Table, and you'll see a grid appear. Carefully select a 2x1 table, which means you'll choose 2 columns and 1 row. This structure will establish the framework to hold your images in place side by side. Next, let's add your first image to the table. Click inside the first cell of your newly created table. Once your cursor is resting there, go back up to Insert in the top menu, scroll down to Image, and choose how you'd like to add your image. You have several options, such as uploading from your computer, searching the web, or importing from Google Drive. Select your image, and it will automatically populate the first cell. Now, it's time to add your second image. Click in the second cell, the one right next to your first image. Again, navigate to Insert, then Image, and select your second image using the option that suits your needs. As you choose your second image, it will appear right alongside the first image in the adjacent cell. At this point, you have both images sitting side by side. However, you might notice the table borders, which can be a bit distracting. To create a cleaner look, you'll want to hide these borders. Position your cursor anywhere inside the table, then right-click to bring up the context menu. From there, select Table Options, which opens up a set of customization choices. Focus on the table border settings. Change the color of the borders to white, or simply set the border width to 0. Either method will effectively hide the borders from view, giving your document a polished and professional appearance. And there you have it. By using a simple table, you can effortlessly lay out your images side by side in Google Docs without compromising the alignment when you continue working on your document. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to explore more options within Google Docs to bring your documents to life. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.